Hi, it's Tom Bowley here from the Property Centre, and today we're on Bloomfield Road and we're at a 4-bedroom semi-detached house. Large driveway, integral garage, downstairs toilet. The full works is absolutely beautiful. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome home.
You